Yeah, screw down.
Hello. Again, Tony's special exhaust. You got Antonio Giovinazzo, Tom Cruise, and Mad Bike here, and Domenico. Open wide, getting the seats ready.
Okay, then what you put in there? Oh, it's quite.
What is this stuff? It's itchy, that shit.
Take one tank first. And go to the other side. There's two. Okay, there.
Put your hands on this.
No.
Listen to me, Tony.
There's nothing in here. There's one.
That's the start of the exhaust.
Yeah, goes into this channel here, and then it goes in.
Brand new fucking exhaust.
You take it out of there, take all that.
Brand new exhaust.
Just chop the fuck up.
This is this stuff pretty cheap. I'll put the coffee on.
Sure, is it?
Put it in your locks if you want.
Fucking hell, that's a fucking microfiber cloth, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's a
Lots
lot.
of wood.
It's just glass packing, ain't it?
Yeah. Shit, man.
They'll
your
breathe
hands.
it in as well. They'll fly little fibres. See all the little fibres coming off. Fucking hell.
There's one.
We've got to be careful not to take too much out though.
We're leaving some on the bottom.
You can see the fibre, I think. Tony.
There's only one in there.
I think I've got a clean mask in my bag, Tony, if you want a mask.
Yeah.
So you're not breathing it in.
It's too late now. Only breathing.
That's it. That's
That's
all
it.
gone.
That's your baffles.
That's gone now.
That's what you wanted, all this. That bit there.
You took the oar off now.
You said you wanted more out of it.
No. No, you don't want more. You want some in there.
Explicato.
You want some in there.
I just don't want it too loud. I've got this if you want to put this on. It's clean.
Okay. Which way is it? That way or that way?
Either way you want to put it. Yeah, you want meant to put it over your eyes.
Come on, Rich. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there some at the bottom?
Yeah.
Do you think it'll be alright just leaving it at the bottom, or it'll be too loud? I don't know.
This side's.
We need some gloves, don't we, really?
I don't want to bend it out because then it won't go back
Not
in.
much in there, no. There's only that much there left.
It's only like the same as this.
Yeah. So if you take this side out, you've got it all then.
Yeah, that's it.
And we just leave the bottom, what do you think?
I mean, so can't keep putting it open, so I'll have to live with whatever fucking happens, won't I?
That's it. That's plenty in there now.
One more. Oh, just one more.
There's none down there.
You want some on the left?
Oh, dear, take it out and just put one pin all the way. Take them out and then just put.
Put your hands on it, Tony.
I know.
Take them out, put the
And then just put one
one long one in there.
to stop it making that noise.
I just don't want it to sound tinny. I mean, it's probably going to be fucking loud as fuck, like, but I'll be turning into Joe when he's like, fucking hell, this is too loud. Look at all these bits.
I know. You see in the camera as well. We've got the mask for health and safety. So
Safety
everyone,
reasons.
if they want to get
That's it.
worried.
Oh, they've got them on the bottom. You still leaving them on?
Yeah.
Or take them all out?
No, it'd be too loud then.
I think put one there.
Yeah.
Stop
yeah.
the noise.
Yeah.
They've got one. Put it.
Yeah. Put one there. Just to make
Oh,
it. Bit...
because this is the perforated one, ain't it?
Yeah.
It's like. So what's this one? Oh, they're both perforated.
It's only got one pipe in the middle.
No, there's one this way
Oh,
as
I've
well.
never seen that one.
Goes all the way across.
I'll take them all out then.
You want them all out?
Yeah.
Okay. No turning back. You're not turning back.
No, because if we put like a
Oh.
thin like that's
I've got it,
dead
eh?
thick, ain't it?
Yeah.
If we put a little bit, then I don't know. I guess it stops it a bit.
This one's one anyway. You got one there. That'll do the noise. I'll put one in the middle.
Yeah.
Just stop this. Like stone, there you go.
Who?
Stone one. That would it.
Just put it in the middle so it's not covering the
Yeah.
the pipe,
Yeah.
and that should be enough, shouldn't it?
Yeah. That'll do. Stop the noise. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to squash it back.
Yeah, no, feet.
I'll get the well done now. You put it both. Yeah, go on. Yeah.
I guess we could stand on it and Tony can tap.
Yeah. That's it. That's it.
Okay,
Perfect.
there we're going.
Fuck you, thing.
That's it.
That's it. Okay, tacky.
Tap it quick,
Oh, shit.
Tony.
Oh, no. Hold your head.
What are you doing?
I've got the video on. Let me have a fucking go fall here.
Is this a live video or fucking Dom's balancing?
Balance.
Balancing.
That's it, I'm okay now. Go Honda. Holding on Honda. Go focus. Yeah.
So, yeah, before we weld it up, you think there'll be enough in there still to not make it so it's stupidly loud?
No, that'll be alright.
If it's too loud, we'll just open the cutty again.
But in a different place?
Yeah,
Under
no,
the-
same
on the
place.
bottom?
Don't say blade.
I suppose we've got two goes, and with the top go and then underneath we can cut it.
You got two sides as well.
That for dramatic effect.
But let me do that. I've had a good couple of times then.
Book.
You're making Dom force breathe it in, covering it underneath him so he has to fucking take a breath.
Bastards.
He'll be going to sleep.
Guys.
Oh, we're gonna let you shut here, man.
It'll be alright. You holding it down a bit more?
You what?
Holding it down.
Oh, you fuck. Oh, shit. No, fucking hand went off. Balance.
Move your foot over a little
Okay.
bit.
That's it. That's it, we got it. We got it. Okay, we got it. Okay, this is like worse than the circus.
Just hold your feet there.
Don't wear my feet together.
I don't want no blowholes, Tony.
Camera is
Okay, over there. Okay, that side. Let's go with the other side now.
we moved.
Oh, bastard. Fucking
Yeah, hold there, hold there. Hold your feet there.
Okay.
Alright.
Give me that shock here, you fucker.
You don't get it to shock. You got booger.
Ooh.
Okay. That side now.
This side. Okay, we got
Keep
it.
looking at the fucking flash, don't I, like a knobhead?
Oh shit, I'm going backwards here.
Yeah, they're flashed tonight.
Hey,
But I said, oh, fucking thing got flashed.
okay. Fourth box. Fix it again. Tony special.
The thing is, I want to keep looking at like what's going on, but
Just look at the phone.
Okay, let go.
No, yes, we're there.
Let go of my fucking foot.
Which foot?
Listen to it, Joe.
Fucking hell.
Just go more that way.
I can't.
Lose a bit. Yeah, a bit more.
There. Okay.
That's it, hold it there.
Right now, relax now.
Next one, back. Yeah, hold it there. Next one, back. Next one, back.
Oh, fuck.
Fucking hell, not giving me my arm. Where my leg come in? Wrong. Arm,
Good.
your leg.
There, what?
Oh, that's good.
Good.
Okay.
That's it. That's what you want to like.
A bit more. You just move that because it catch fire.
It won't catch fire.
Just let it catch fire.
No, can't be.
I'll just this one here. I'll do a minute, I'll do these first.
Okay, watch your eyes now.
It's like, oh, she's with the light.
can you make them like this well, Tony?
Yeah,
Like
can.
the plasma. I'm only fucking me up. As long as it don't blow, Tony, I am happy.
Fill the hole now. Okay, how's that?
Like that. It's blind tonight.
You won't get blind because it's safe too.
That's alright like that, yeah. You'll be right like that.
You okay with that?
Yeah, that's good though. As long as we get it so it's got no holes and it blows, that, you know, that irritates the shit out of me, don't it? When you got an exhaust and all you can use again.
Give it.
Let's push.
Get away because it melts it too quick. Stuff does. Push, we said.
Oh yeah, it's made a hole in it now.
Yeah. Better than that.
Good man.
Course it does
Without
well,
beating
doesn't
it.
Yeah, I have to fill it. Just wait to cool down a bit and then
Connect it.
because it cracks too quick.
I just get paranoid that it's going to blow.
It does all your pipes as well. Well, all your pipes. You know, for the turbo, when nothing comes out, perfect.
Huh?
Nothing.
Push yourself. Too cool. Stop cracking. Smoking. Okay, so we put that. I'll tap it a bit. On the bench. Oh no, that's not.
There, more grips there.
Tap it a bit.
What does tapping do?
Now just this bit. Okay, which way is it?
Modified exhaust, this is just standard. I'm hoping we took the perfect amount and it sounds just how I wanted it and then I'll be happy. I've got a feeling it's going to be fucking loud though.
Nothing. That'll be alright.
It bobbles down in there, but that's hardly got any packing in there.
Oh, it's
so
some in the bottom, that's it. Is that alright now?
give it a bit of the webs. Got the bit of the webs. Got the bit of the webs.